Okay, so now we're on to the learning outcomes. Number 5, promote workplace cooperation. So question 1, list 3 types of communication channels that you are likely to use within the workplace. So at school, some of the communications that we have, so at this working at home time, I've been getting lots of emails from Mr. Barker, so that's been good. And he also communicates to me what ways on his phone would he communicate. So have a think about those things that Michael might be communicating to me during this COVID-19 times at home. So what have you been communicating back with Michael? So that's a communication way. So put those down. I think you know those answers. And yeah, put them into question 1. So question 2A, briefly define the term constructive criticism in the workplace. So have a Google of that, and then now we might have a look at a class activity of what some constructive criticism is. So some of my clients give us feedback, and that would be constructive criticism. So when they, for example, we didn't mow the lawns very well, or you know how I said I left the rake out at the client's house, we left the hedges out. I picked those up in those clients' house, but if the client got back to me and said, oh Quentin, you've had one of your guys working for you leaving those out in the garden, and they let me know, and no one was hurt, that would be constructive criticism. So it does happen in the workplace from time to time, but we need to be able to accept those from clients and our employer. Okay, so pause the video now, have a chat with your classmates, because we're back at class now. That's amazing too, so we can do that. So have a chat to your next door, so your classmate there now, and have a think of some examples. Pause the video now. Okay, so question 2B, what can happen if you do not listen to or accept the constructive criticism given to you in the workplace? So if I didn't listen to the client, for example, telling me about these loppers there, what could have happened? Well, what could have happened is someone could have got hurt. I could lose the client. So those kind of things. So have a think there and have a chat in your little work group. Excuse me. What some of the what could actually happen? So it's question 2B. Pause the video now. Question 3. List 2 potential workplace issues that would need to be reported to your supervisor. So, for example, if one of my employees was leaving these around the garden all the time at a client's house and it was ongoingly a problem, they would need to let me know as the business owner. So it's really important that one of my employees did let me know that. And these things happen from time to time. We've had cases in the business where we've left bags of leaves at clients' houses. Sometimes we forget to take them away, so we have to tell each other, remember to take them away. But these things do happen, it easily happens. Okay, so pause the video now and have a go at those ones. Okay, learning outcome 6, contribute to a productive work environment. Tick the statement that you think are a discriminatory act. So have a look at those ones there and have a go, and we'll actually do that as a class activity, I think. So pause the video now and have a look at those ones. So question 2, list 1 example of sexual harassment in the workplace. So have a Google of sexual harassment and have a look at what that term means and put an answer in that question. So pause the video now. And question 3 is similar, and question 4 are Google things. So if you could have a look at those two. So we'll pause the video now and have a Google of question 3 and 4. Pause the video now.